how I to Sakajou I get to Sakajou market
อ๋อ you can ride motorcycle to the Sakajou market
how far is Sakajou market for here
well is the traffic is comfortable it take about 20 minutes แล้วก็
which street go to Sakajou market
follow this street ด่านช้างอู่ทอง
how far is it to Sakajou market
you can ride motorcycle about 5 kilometer go to Alai or crossroad go to the state ahead take about 500 meter turn to the left แล้วก็ you can see Sakajou market the gas station is on your hand
thank you very much
no problem
ออกนึกเลย